kausap yung mga bago.
Pero sir, yung ano...
Like for example, hindi ko pa nakakausap si Bong Revilla, hindi ko pa nakakausap si Aimee. Si Pia, I don't know what her stand is. She's, and you know, Pia's also stickler for human rights. She's a lawyer. So I haven't spoken to them about their stand on the issue.
What about death penalty for plunder, sir? Tingin niyo ba mas mahirap o against the death penalty for drug trafficking?
Kulong yan. Hindi naman, sa tingin ko, alam mo, it's always prosecution. I always believe in a strong prosecution. I always believe in enforcement. I always believe that pag nahuhuli ang kriminal at ipasok sa karsel, itapon ng susi, natatakot din ang mga kriminal gumawa ng karumal-dumal na krimen, katulad yan. And you notice, for example, in many of the heinous crimes now, it's being perpetrated by foreign nationals. So I think we should be tough on them when it comes to the implementation of our laws. So I believe in strong law enforcement, and I think that's the key there. Although marami sa aming mga kasamahan, gusto po nilang parusahan sila ng kamatayan, at yan ang pagdidebatihan po natin ngayon. Titingnan natin kung